Hello, my name is Yasin. I am Hausa Westborn. I am 15 years old. I am 28 February 2002. Bayram in living. I have got two brothers and one sister. I am the oldest. My father is Job is farmer. My mother is Job is housewife. My grandfather is writing. My grandmother is housewife. My sister is student. The nine grad student. I love all my lessons. I love all my friends. I win the university exam. I went if exam win teacher or wait. I get on well with my teacher. I have got a big house. I have got a car. I have got a tractor. We are happy family. I love you. I love family. See you later.